Helping Grandma in the garden. Today, I help my grandma in her garden. She has so many plants. First, we watered the flowers. Grandma showed me how to be gentle so we didn't hurt the petals. Then, we pulled out some weeds that were growing around the vegetables. I didn't know weeds could grow so fast. After that, we picked tomatoes, cucumbers, and carrots. I loved seeing the fresh vegetables we had grown together. Grandma said the vegetables were healthy and full of vitamins. Later, we used them to make a delicious salad for lunch. I felt proud knowing I had helped grow the food we were eating. Gardening with Grandma is always fun. She teaches me about plants and how to take care of them. Every time I help her, I learn something new. I can't wait to see what grows next in the garden.